It's the big game, time for some buffalo wings. This traditional buffalo wing recipe requires no breading and therefore no added carbs. Perfect for a keto-friendly snack while watching the game. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week. Now this is a super easy recipe and we are going to deep fry some wings. To prep the wings, if you're starting with whole chicken wings, we'll take them and cut off the tips and section into the drumettes and the flats. It's pretty easy to slice through once you see where the joint is. You can pull that apart a little bit and it cuts right through. Now if you have pre-sectioned chicken wings, you can skip this step. I like to save the wing tips for stock later. Now once you have all your pieces ready, I'll place them on a plate with some paper towels and just ensure that the outsides are dry. This way when we deep fry them, it will splatter much less. Here are 4 wings sectioned. Next, we'll pour an inch of oil into a deep pot. I like to use a Dutch oven as it has high sides to minimize splatter and it retains the heat quite well. Once the oil comes up to temperature, about 350 degrees, we can put in our wings. I'll put in the drumettes first as they are bigger and take a little longer to fry, and the flats second. And we'll fry for between 12 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your wings. Here I've fried for 13 minutes. I'll periodically rotate them just to ensure all sides are in the oil. Now while we're waiting, we can make our sauce. So in a large bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll melt this down in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Next, I'll add a 1-to-1 ratio of hot sauce. Here I'm using Frank's Red Hot. Now you can dial this up or down depending on the hot sauce you have and also how spicy you like your chicken. I think a 1-to-1 ratio is good to start, so 1 tablespoon here. And you can definitely go up to 2 tablespoons if you like it hotter, or less if you like it less hot. Lastly, I'm adding a 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, just for that pungent kick found in that Buffalo, New York style buffalo wing. We'll give it a quick mix just to combine and set aside. One more quick stir of our wings. You can feel that they are super crispy already. And after a total fry time of 13 minutes, I'm going to take them out and place them on a plate lined with some paper towels. Look at that. Nicely crispy fried chicken wings. And now we can toss it in our sauce. Now if your sauce solidified while you were waiting, you can always stick it back in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds and it'll soften right back up. You can hear just how crispy these chicken wings are as they hit the bowl. Now the tossing technique. Just toss in the bowl a few times until every wing is coated with the sauce. And that's it, ready to eat. Let's give it a taste. Crunchy skin. Very flavorful, no seasoning needed. Hot sauce, butter. If you want, you can add some salt or pepper to the sauce. But since I'm pairing with ranch dressing, this is plenty flavorful already. Let's try a flat piece with the ranch sauce. Skin is so crispy. And that's it. Quick and easy, perfect buffalo-style chicken wings for your big game. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great game day.